Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will cover all the remaining toolbar options from the for the Access Client solution. So till here we have covered till the macros. Now we will cover these four options. Okay. So let's see one by one. So first of all, we will discuss about this Scratchpad option. So once you open it, it will open this Scratchpad window for you. So this you can use. Let's say if you are working on a one task where you need some information again and again. So usually what we do, we keep that data inside a notepad or any other document file, and from there we copy. From there we take the copy paste operation. Means from that sheet we perform the copy paste operation. Okay, so but it is bit time taking to go again and again to that notepad, then to again green screen. So instead of that, you can open this scratchpad option, and from here you can simply copy the data what you want to copy. And let's say if I am running one query on my, and I have stored all pf data information here, emp pf. So now what I can do, I can simply go here, write select, select star from, and from for pf I can copy it from here. So instead of opening again a new notepad or any word document, I can keep all my information which I use frequently here. Okay, this thing we can also save. So from here you can see there is one option for save. So if you want to save it for future purpose, you can go and navigate your file and save it with name. So I'm saving it with data2 and save. So it is saved. Okay, if you want to clear it, you can simply click on clear and it will clear the data. So this is very handy tool. Means whenever you need some information again and again, you can keep those information here, and from here you can copy paste the data. Now we will discuss these two options. So these two options are very rarely used, but this is regarding the admin portion. Like if admin want to perform something, so they can use these options. So I will tell you in a very quick way like how we can access this. Then later, as per your requirement, you can explore more on these and you can learn about this. So for that, just click on this option. This is for navigator for I. So click here. Once you click here, it will open a browser for you. There you can provide the admin, means you can provide your credentials. So I need to pass my credential. You can use same credential that we are using for accessing the pub400 server. So I provide my ID password, and it, if I click on OK, it will open this UI for me. Okay, so there you can see that all pub400 means system related information is showing. And if I click on this custom charts, so it will open a chart for me, like what all CPU processing, how CPU processing is work, what all active jobs are there. So you can see CPU average utilization, system ASP used, active job number. So these all kind of information you can find from here. So you can explore these options like as per your requirement. What view GUI logs, so this will show GUI logs. Okay, so as per your requirement, you can explore this feature and you can use it. So we will not discuss in much detail about this. And another one is for tools to optimize SQL optimization. Okay, so this is regarding the performance center. So here also you will see that few informations are given: plan cache, performance monitors. Okay, and then we have plan cache snapshot, plan cache event monitor. So if you want to do some analysis for means for SQL performance and optimization, then you can use this feature. This option is also used very rarely, but for some specific tasks we need this. So you can explore about these two options as if you want to learn more about this. And the last icon or the last button is for view information center. So if you want some extra information for these options, all these informations, so you can refer it from here. Although we have covered almost every important topic for the access client solution in a session itself, so there is no need to go through this document, but still if you want some extra information, you can refer this thing. Okay, so far we have covered all these options of the access client toolbar. It might be possible that you may got some extra button on your screen. So maybe if there is any, you can explore it by your own, because these are the most commonly used options. So I have covered, and these are the options that by default comes with a access client solution. So I hope this entire series is useful for you, and if you would like to share your feedback, then please share in the comment section. So yeah, that's all for this series. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.